Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. If you have been using CorelDraw, whatever version of CorelDraw you are using, consider to see how to back up your CorelDraw file. So in case when you are working in CorelDraw and all of a sudden the CorelDraw got crashed or your system just turned off, and as a result of that, you might lose fantastic work. So because of this, it is always advisable that you always back up your CorelDraw workspace file. Let me show you how you can simply back up your CorelDraw workspace file in order to retrieve back your work each time you have issue with your CorelDraw software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. So having pressed Ctrl+J on your keyboard, this is going to pop up right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to Save tab. So under the Save tab right here, you have backup every 20 minutes. So you can change from 20 minutes to about every 5 minutes, which simply means that for every 5 minutes, whatever you do in your workspace in CorelDraw is going to save every 5 minutes. And then make sure backup to temporary folder is, and make sure you choose your folder backup. So in some cases, you may decide to create a separate folder. This will enable you to go straight to the and access to your backup file in your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and choose file location right here. Then go ahead and click on browse. So here we can create a folder. So I will go to desktop. Then I will right click. Then I will go ahead and click on new. And I'll go ahead and click on folder. So this is going to be CorelDraw backup folder. Okay, so I'll make sure I select it and I'll click on select folder. Now for every backup of every 5 minutes, I will have this Corel file in this particular folder. Lastly, you can come down to your default version right here. So you have different versions right here. So the higher version here is 26, which is 2020, which was released in 2025. So you can also choose the lower version as the case may be. If you want to have the backup file in different version of CorelDraw, as for me, I'm going to leave it in 2026 version because that is the version of Corel I'm using. Lastly, click on OK right here. So whatever you have here is going to be saved as backup in that folder. So in case if this particular workspace got corrupted, you can easily go back to your backup folder and retrieve back your CorelDraw file. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use CorelDraw software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.